Hi guys, Stephanie Ann Johnson here. Welcome back to the stream up on Dog Creek. So good. All right, so we made a set list. Look, things are crazy. Listen, Chadwick Boseman is so like on my heart and with the ancestors and um it's intense. It's an intensical feeling. And so we start with this. This seems to be the one to start with. I love y'all so much. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Stephanie Ann Johnson. I haven't played this song in a long time and I feel good about it. Well, take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Help me stand up. I'm tired, I'm weak, and I'm alone. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Oh, in the darkness, oh, it appears, and the night it draws near, and the day it has passed and it is gone. At the river I will stand up, guide my feet, won't you hold my hand and take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Well, take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Help me stand up. I'm tired, I'm weak, and I'm alone. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Okay. Oh, all right. That felt good. That felt good. Breaking into it. Big shout out to Mackenzie and Naira and Tiffany and Cole and all the homies who are checking up on me to make sure I'm, at least making any kind of attempt to take care of myself. So anyway, this next tune is Gastrog G, and I haven't played this song a lot, but then I was at this wonderful house concert, wonderful distanced house concert in Ballard neighborhood in Seattle, and Gus Clark was on that bill, and so was Annie Ford, and I love those humans, and everyone was super nice, and it was wonderful to see other musicians and in the room where it happens. But because I knew those folks were gonna be there, I think I played this during the set. Feeling like specifically country. Walk a little ways with me. No, I don't like to be alone and on my own. Walk a little ways with me. money. We got love and we're out of money. Well, ain't it grand? So good. All right, this next one, do not tell my dog. My dog is named Augie. Some of you see some of the pictures I'd be posting with him because, like, I'm home all the time. So, like, now we're friends and there's lots of snuggling that goes on in the morning times, you know, when we're ready to be out of bed but not ready to be off the couch. Holler if you hear me. So, don't tell my dog. But this is a song about a very awesome dog. This is Louisiana. She got eyes, the kinds that always sparkle. She got legs and she knows how to run. When I get home, she rushes out to greet me. She don't say much, but I know what she means. Oh, goddamn Louisiana. Girl, you take the pain right out of me. Oh, goddamn Louisiana. I never forget you. I hope that you remember me. If I sleep in, baby, will lay with me. If I get up, that girl is good to go. And if I could, I'd keep it with me always. She my baby, I'm her loving boy. Oh, goddamn Louisiana. Girl, you take the pain right out of me. Oh, goddamn Louisiana. I'll never forget you. I hope that you remember me. She likes to fall asleep in the sun, and everybody knows I'm her one. Oh, goddamn Louisiana. Girl, you take the pain right out of me. Oh, goddamn Louisiana. I'll never forget you. I hope that you remember me. I'll never forget you. I hope that you remember me. Oh man, there it is. There you have it. Goddamn Louisiana. But yeah, some of y'all know Wheezy. Wheezy's a good dog. Wheezy's hanging out on a chair over there. This song I wrote with some of my beloveds. Also, shout out to Brienne. She sent me a text this morning. I was with Brienne and the homie Kristen over there on Camino Island when I wrote this one. There's something, there's all different kinds of love, right? And this is about the kind of love that never leaves your mind, that never leaves your spirit, that never leaves your body. if you know it. Not a day goes by. Not a day goes by. If I hold you in my heart, we can never be apart. Not a day goes by. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. I used to dream about you. I had me thinking I couldn't live without you. Now I'm going through my day, doing everything my way, but I still think about you. Yes, I do. I miss your tender touch. Oh, the way you're gassing me up about the little things. And it would mean so much to hear you say my name once again, once again. Oh my, yes, oh yes. Not a day goes by. Hey, not a day goes by. If I hold you in my heart, we can never be apart. Not a day goes by. Oh yes, oh yes. You used to hold me close. Oh, we share what no one knows. And the sound of your quiet voice calling me in the night, it had me feeling alright, alright, oh, alright. Not a day goes by, not a day goes by. Whoa, if I hold you in my heart, we can never be apart. Not a day goes by. Oh yes, oh yes. Not a day goes by. Yeah, not a day goes by. Oh my God. I just need like a second. Whew. All right, that is a lot of feelings. All right. This tune, because I'm feeling mean to myself, wrote it here, and then taught it to the boys in the band here, and then went to play it somewhere here, and they were like, "What? Wait, what? Hey." Let's all get on page. And today I'm feeling like a challenge. This is the problem, right? In training for years and years and years with doing the classical voice, you know, so much of it was up. You got to be up. You're a soprano, you're up. Soprano land. You need to talk here and be here. And like, this is your world here. Up here is your world. So that, you know, that was like 10, 15 years of my life. And so then coming out of that to, you know, doing a lot of the popular music, and people are like, you can belt though, right? You can belt. Like, up here, that's your world. But all the brass. So, I don't know. I'm going to see what happens. This is Whiskey of Memories. I tried to call you, tried to go out, tried to find another you. You know this heart wants what it wants. None of these others will do. I've been staying in, you know, just keeping myself company. Having a little bit of whiskey with my memories. And oh, the way it used to be, we had those fires in the winter. The way we used to kiss and touch, so tender and so gentle. How did we get here? You know, where nobody wants to see. I miss you, I want you, and I love you so. You know I changed up my behavior. You're worth it, and I want you to know. 'Cause I've been staying in. Come over, come keep me company. Let's have a little bit of whiskey, and we'll make memories. Oh, baby, let's make memories. Mm-hmm. Songs are good. Songs are very good. All right. What's next? I'm looking at this list. Okay, I've been playing this one a lot. It's been something to lean on. This tune is called Apology. I don't know, and this is partially because I have not checked. But over on the Patreon, I want to be getting people, new content, new songs, new poems, what have you, twice a month. Like, I'm trying to be like this. At least that's my goal. And so this is one of the songs that I hope went up either last month or sometime early this month. But this tune is called Apology. And, sometimes you feel the need to apologize for yourself. Here's my first apology. I'm sorry, pretty baby, I've been working on me. Almost a year off all the booze. I don't know if I'll win, but I decided not to lose. 'Cause it gets in the way when you hate yourself every day. I wonder when there'll be a break in the pain, when you can catch your breath, try to explain. Here's a well-known fact for free. met the Lord in a concert hall. He took me by the hand, such a glorious call. But it gets in the way when you hate yourself every day. I wonder when there'll be a break in the pain, when you can catch your breath, try to explain. Here's my last apology. I'm sorry, pretty baby, I've been working on me. The best gift I can give to you is a version of me that ain't so black and blue. Because it gets in my way. I hate myself every day. I wonder when there'll be a break in the pain, when I can catch my breath, try to explain. I really like that song. That song is really, really good. I had a lot of feeling going through my body when I was writing that song. So it's kind of the perfect song to play when you got a lot of feeling going through your body. All right. Yeah, I'm going to do this. I have been playing this song for, I think, a while. It was probably written either right before we went into the studio or after, when we were making Take This a Lot. Because it was around that time, I'm thinking, or in the interim year after we had made the record, and I was like, what do I do? And asking all my music friends, like, so, like, how do I put out a record, though? But it allowed me to make some really good connections with some musicians whom I respect. Shout out, Sarah Clark with those musicians in solidarity. I got to do a whole stream in my Musicians in Solidarity t-shirt, and that will happen soon. I love you a lot, and this tune I'm going to play for you. This is Gloryland. Oh, I've had nights out in big cities, 5-course meals, yeah, I've had 1 or 2. I've seen about 1 million different movies. None of them are half as good as you. Used to talk of nothing but adventure, seeing where life takes me as I float. The longer I stayed out in that deep water, the more it made me hunger for a home. had been preparing to do some studio time in September, and that was one of the songs I was working on. So I was trying to get the guitar work to be where I wanted on that tune, and I'm pretty impressed with that. I think I'll keep it like that. I like that. All right, this song. So there's a wonderful poet named Bo Taplin, and I encourage you to follow his Insta. He says things that make sense to me. Like, I first got attracted to his poetry because he said that the body is not a temple. Temples can be blown up. Your body is a forest, and it can grow back in ways. And that just made me feel really good. And so the one that I read that made me cry, that made me write this song, is about the beauty of the love of broken-hearted people. Because we know that loving can hurt, and we know that this love, this new love, may potentially crush us, but we offer ourselves anyway, and that makes our love special. This tune is called Linger. You can take this love, you can take my picture, you can take anything that you want from me. You can have my blood, you can have my fingers. I'm barking with God. Let your love linger. Guess I'm late to the station. That one's already gone. That's the thing about the traveling light. My baby goes on and on. You can have my blood, you can have my fingers. I'm barking with God. Let your love linger. You can have my blood, you can have my fingers. I bargain with God to let your love linger. I really like that song. There's a way to feel about wanting love to stay. But nothing gold can stay. All right. Baby, baby, such a charmer. When you text me, baby, won't you come home? Won't you be my baby? I wanna see ya. Wanna feel you shake for me. Wanna feel ya. Wanna feel you shake your love. sends me flying, flying, baby, flying, flying, baby, and I was ruthless, such a little deviant. I would come home, I still be your baby. I wanna see ya, wanna feel you shake for me, wanna feel ya, wanna feel you shake your love. Sends me flying, flying, baby, I'm flying, flying. You made me feel like, feel like, feel like, feel like, feel like running. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You made me feel like, feel like, feel like, feel like, feel like running. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And your love, ooh, sends me flying, flying, baby, I'm flying, flying, baby, I'm flying, flying, baby. Oh my gosh. Whew. I miss that kind of love. The kind of love that makes you feel like you got wings somewhere, sprouting out of somewhere, and you're going somewhere doing something. All right, time for another real sad one. This was another tune that I was hoping to put on the next one. I was gonna, do something acoustic-ish and all quiet and pretty before we, make our, I don't know, rock and roll manifesto. Can I say those things? Can I say those words together? I think I can. I think I can. But yeah, the tenderness. Cleaning out the old homestead, Nana can't afford the mortgage alone. You can't go home. She might bust, she might cry, but when you see the gold dust fly, you know you can't go home. And I got a call from Portland, and it made me think of you. Yeah, I got a call from Portland, and it made me think of you. Been so long since you moved away. Sometimes I still think I see your face, but you can't go home. Do the dishes and take out the trash. Oh, but when I miss you, it comes on fast. You can't go home. I got a call from Portland, and it made me think of you. Yeah, I those are nice overtones. Ooh. Yes. That was very pretty. All right. Yep. I'm gonna do these next two. I'm gonna check my phone because I want to know what time it is. All right, 2 more. So, gonna play this one first, and then I'm gonna play the next one. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is off the record. Making love ain't the same as it used to be. It was like playing a sport with no referee. I'm finally starting to see. You'll forgive me. Making love ain't the same as it used to be. Yeah, those evenings used to go as planned. Even if we started out playing footsie and holding hands. When you're rolling around, you don't quite notice where you stand. Yeah, those evenings used to go as planned. And it used to feel so good being young and all. Easy loving in a free-for-all. Then one day I woke up alone. All alone. All Making love ain't the same as it used to be. Oh, I used to feel like love was a friend to me. But I'm older now and I'm finally starting to see how making love ain't the same as it used to be. Making love ain't the same as it used to be. I wanted to see if I can play it in this key. I should not. I can. I should not. It sounds better in a different key. All right. We'll do this last one. I don't know why I put that over there. It needs to go over here. Saying goodbye is like my least favorite thing. And in fact, when I leave a party the way I want to leave a party, I don't even say goodbye. I just go because I don't want folk to get emotional and not want to let me go. You know, I want to go about my business. And so this song, I guess, is about letting go. It's about anything you want to be about, baby. This tune is called Flying Cars. Thank you so much for tuning in and for your donations, which I haven't checked. But thank you very much for giving me the money that you spend your life to earn. It's not lost on me. Even the times are so tough for everybody, y'all are still being generous enough to keep my head above water. Thanks a lot. Here's some Flying Cars for you. Say goodbye to those plans we made. Crying now 'cause we won't be paid. Oh, the future was supposed to be Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.